la la la. To your massage. Yeah. Tonight I'm gonna feel like
what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer.
Hey, my loves, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, aka LAL, in the building. We are reviewing a wig today from WigPride by She Slayed TV here on YouTube. That's my sis, I love her so much. But we have the infamous Charlie wig. I reviewed sis years ago, but my favorite color is blue. Oh, follow your girl. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'd love to mingle. So anyway, yeah, this is Charlie. She is a very popular wig by Freetress. Also, thumbs up this video, y'all, please. And we're gonna take some dry shampoo that we cut from Dollar Tree and just spray her to remove any shine and just give her a more natural looking sheen so she won't look like doll hair. Yeah. So this is what her cap looks like. Pretty standard. She does not have combs and all that, but she does have adjustable straps. And she also does have ear tabs. So you can like pinch those and she'll feel nice and secure. So you're gonna go ahead and get her on. But y'all check my sis, her business out. Her website is www.wigpride.com. I will be sure to drop all of the information down below in the description box for y'all. Like I said, she's pretty straightforward and really easy to get on in style. Y'all please do subscribe and join the LAL fam. It does not cost you a thing. It's free sugars. Yes, so thank you in advance for doing that. And as I say, sharing is caring, so please do share. But yeah, I'm so proud of my sis. I'm trying to support other small businesses. As me being a business owner, I understand the importance of doing that. So please do, y'all, just show small businesses some love, because in the world of businesses, we get the least love much of the time. The big companies kind of, take over. So anywho, how my sis has some really, really nice wigs over at WigPride. But yeah, as I was saying, those of y'all who have been following your girl and subscribed to my channel, if you've been one of my lovelies for a while, y'all already know how I feel about the color blue. And this blue on Charlie is just gorgeous. Charlie is a really, really cute wig, especially if you just want to rock a short do, protect your hair without cutting your hair. She's one of those that, will give you the look and get you by, make it happen, fake it till you make it. You know how we do. So yeah. Also, please y'all go follow She Slayed TV on YouTube, and if you're not already following her, and she's also, WigPride is also on Instagram and Facebook and all that. So I will drop all the information down below in the description box, but we're gonna go in with the TG Bedhead wax stick just to lay down the flyaways, because sis does have quite a bit of flyaways. She is a synthetic wig, but like I said, she's really straightforward, very, very easy to style. You see, I did not have to do a whole lot to get ready to go. Yeah, so Charlie is an all-time fave. I think I will forever love this wig. Y'all, I do know that this is one of her top sellers. Whenever she gets her in, she sells out really quickly. So just, check out her website and shop all the cuties that, she has available. And then if she does come back available, yeah, you'll be in the know. So just keep watching and be on the lookout for her. And you can also reach out to my beautiful sis, Ade. And Ade will let y'all know. You know, she'll give you the 411, give you all the info you need, all the details. So, yeah, but I think Charlie is super cute. I'd love to hear down in the comments if y'all have tried Charlie, but we're going to spritz her just a little bit just to make sure the hair stay in place. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So your girl appreciates y'all watching the video today. She is definitely big head friendly, lots of room. Just braid your hair down flat and you're good to go. But this is what we're working with, so stay tuned for the pics. Your girl LA loves you. Be good to others, be kind. Be safe out there. Later, loves.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no, I won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come on here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. I like your shop.